With just a few hours left before the anticipated swearing-in ceremony of the President-elect Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, which is scheduled for tomorrow at Kololo Ceremonial Grounds, preparations at the venue are now complete. By the time we visited the venue, which will host this historic national event, the final tents were being erected. Technicians were busy installing the remaining equipment to ensure a clear and audible sound system, while engineers from the Uganda People's Defense Forces were putting the finishing touches on the parade grounds, where military drills and ceremonial parades will be conducted.
Hello.
For the National Armed Forces, military vehicles and other sophisticated equipment, rarely seen by civilians, had already been positioned in readiness for the ceremonial showcase. Paratroopers also conducted their final rehearsals and preparatory drills ahead of the anticipated breathtaking aerial displays and ceremonial demonstrations. Regarding the security situation, both within and beyond Kampala, ACP Rusoke Kituuma assured the public of a peaceful and calm day ahead, stressing that security agencies have deployed at their highest level of alertness to effectively deal with any possible security eventualities.
The security is just to ensure that we don't take anything for granted. What we appeal to people, stay calm, don't break any law, because when you break it, we shall counter you. So if there is anybody who wants to break the law, you certainly know we shall come in to avert that act. But otherwise, at the moment, all our assessments are that everything is good in terms of security. Our traffic input, heightened traffic deployment, heightened general security deployment, our visibility has increased. Everything is fine.
Meanwhile, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs has confirmed the attendance of between 10 and 15 heads of state, alongside more than 50 high-profile international dignitaries, some of whom have already arrived in the country ahead of the ceremony.
Expecting about 50 foreign dignitaries, of whom between 10 to 15 are heads of state. The number keeps changing.
Museveni's swearing-in ceremony will mark the beginning of his 7th term in office as the President of Uganda, following his declaration as the winner of the 2026 presidential election after securing 71% of the votes cast.